In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Lovable AI project in seconds. Deleting a project on Lovable AI is a straightforward process, but to ensure you have no hiccups along the way, I'm here to guide you through each step. Whether you're tidying up your workspace or getting rid of unused projects, this video will help you easily manage your Lovable AI environment. So, let's dive in. First things first, head over to the Lovable website. If you haven't bookmarked it yet, just type in lovable.dev in your browser's address bar and hit enter. Once you've arrived on the homepage, you'll need to log in to access your projects. Look for the login button on the top right corner of the page. If you're already a registered user, clicking this button will direct you to the login options. Next, choose the Continue with Google option to proceed. This is one of the quickest ways to log in, especially if you're already signed into your Google account on your device. A pop-up will appear for you to select your Google account. Be sure to choose the account associated with your Lovable AI projects. This step securely logs you into the Lovable platform using your Google credentials. Once you have successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on your dashboard where all your projects are listed. Now, to delete a project, you need to locate it from this list. It's usually displayed under Your Projects section. Hover over the project you want to remove. You'll see 3 vertical dots appear, usually on the right-hand side or beneath your project's name. Click on these dots to reveal a drop-down menu. Within this menu, you'll find the Delete option. Click on Delete to initiate the removal process for that project. It might prompt you with a confirmation message to ensure you want to proceed. Confirm your choice and the project will be deleted from your list, freeing up space and clearing any clutter. It's vital to understand that once you delete a project, it's typically gone for good. Before you click that final confirmation, double check to ensure this particular project isn't something you might need later. Unfortunately, there's no undo button once you commit to deleting a project, so be sure about your decision. And there you have it. Deleting a Lovable AI project can be accomplished swiftly and efficiently in just a few clicks. Regular maintenance of your projects not only helps keep your workspace organized, but also enhances productivity by focusing only on the active tasks. Thanks for watching, and be sure to leave a like if this video helped you, or comment if you have any questions or need further assistance. Happy deleting!